we are celebrating 77th Republic Day of India.
Hello everyone, this is Satish and this is my fourth day of learning English speaking through blog. So right now I am in Pondicherry University. So stay tuned with me till last of this video and enjoy my whole day routine life in university. So let's learn English speaking through this vlog simultaneously. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends, like this video also. So right now morning 9:30 o'clock and I'm going to mess to have morning breakfast. So let's go. So I'm going now and lift is coming up. Guys, now I'm going to mess. First I used to go in this mess, but nowadays it's not running because of some construction is going on inside. So you can see in my background today it's raining heavily. Actually since the previous 2 days it was drizzling, but today it's raining heavily. Today I'm capturing first time after coming back in university by passing my winter vacation. So let's go to mess. I have about to come outside of that mess where I'm going to have lunch. Actually that's name is Amudam mess. First I used to go in Annapurna or Mega mess. So guys, this is Amudam mess of Pondicherry University. Let me show you outside view of this mess. So now I have come to mess and see this is the collections of umbrellas. So guys, now I have completed my morning breakfast and going back to my room. Actually I have to wash my clothes. Friends, if I tell you about messes, so for boys students in Pondicherry University there are two major messes. First one is Annapurna mess, that is also named by Mega mess, and second one is Amudam mess. Okay, that is Amudam mess, remember that. So major students eat in these two messes, and for PhD scholars they have their separate mess. Today we don't have classes, actually today is Sunday, so usually on Saturday and Sunday we don't have classes. Actually on Saturday some professors take classes if they have burden to complete their syllabus at the time of nearby end semester exam. So now I have come to my hostel. This is my hostel. When I came here after completing my holidays on 21st January, then at that time there was heat, but right now it's feeling like cold. You can see I have applied woolen cap. Actually this is because of heavy rain. You can see it's raining right now, so I have to be careful too much for our health. So guys, finally I'm ready by taking bath and washing my clothes. Now it's time for lunch and I'm going to have lunch. Friends, if I talk about today's lunch, what will be there in today's lunch? So on Sunday lunch they provides two type of food. One is veg and second is non-veg. If you are veg, then they will provide for you paneer, and if you are non-vegetarian then they will provide chicken for you. So let's go to mess to have lunch. So I'm waiting for lift. Now raining have stopped. Actually minutely it's raining very slowly drizzling like. So I'm going to have lunch in mess. Other students are also going to have their lunch in Amudam mess. Raining again started. After raining, here looks very beautiful. Awesome. Look.
Oh my god, very long queue. Now I have to stand in this queue. Actually, I came here at wrong time. I should have come sooner. And the security is standing there. Guys, you can see people are going back by having their lunch who came here earlier than me. Guys, look, this is a small shop outside of this mess. From here you can take chips, ice cream, cold drink and omelette also. Now I have come closer.
Finally, I had my lunch and that was very spicy. That's why I purchased this ice cream. Actually, guys, this type of ice cream I used to eat at my childhood time. During this weather, I should not eat ice cream and other cold things because this weather is very dangerous. Even though I am eating ice cream, actually I am feeling very spicy. So I have come back to my hostel. Actually, guys, this ice cream's price is 10 rupees, but its taste is very nice, very milky. I'm feeling it. And raining again is started. Actually, tomorrow is 77th Republic Day celebration. All decorations, all preparations done. But if raining will be there like this, then very difficult to celebrate and flag hoisting at the open theater. Friends, sometimes small things give very pleasure, very relax. So I'm feeling like this also by eating this ice cream. I'm feeling very pleasure, very nostalgic about our childhood time. So this is a parking area of my hostel. So I'm going inside my room. Now I have finished that ice cream and waiting nearby. Lip to lip it coming down. So guys, finally I have come to my room and my roommate went somewhere else. These are their beds. So now I will do some study. Actually, I want to go reading room, but right now it's raining. That's why I will not go there because feeling very cold also. And in reading room, AC is running. That's why I will do study here. So friends, today is 77th Republic Day celebration and wish you all to happy Republic Day as we are familiar about this incident. On this day in 26 January 1950, our Constitution of India officially accepted. So I have taken my roommate's bike and I'm going by bike. Friends, first flag hosting supposed to be here, there, but now this ground is wet and converted into mud because of heavy rain. So flag hosting celebration is shifted from here to another place. So I'm going there. Guys, now I have parked my vehicle here and I'm going there. This is International Convention Center and we are going to celebrate Republic Day.
वो जो आने से पहले पूछते हैं ना कि यहाँ कहाँ वीडियो क्या है देखिए हम लोग कन्वेंशन सेंटर में भी जा रहे हैं
We came here for flag hosting, but flag hosting already done. So this is Pondicherry University International Convention. So here it's done already.
So guys, look, now we are inside and he is Vice Chancellor of PU. So this is inside view of that convention center of university.
Jai Hind. Let's celebrate the 150 years of the Vande Mataram. Happy Republic Day to all of you.
So guys, now it's time for distribution of award and VC is distributing.
VP Veeraselvam, Electrical Supervisor. VP Yogaraj, Audio Video Technician.
Guys, look, now cultural program is performing by Department of Performing Arts of PU.
They are looking back. Guys, look, now it's time for performance on very famous Hindi song. So guys, this is inside view of International Convention Center of Pondicherry University. Now program has been over and peoples have gone from here and seats are now vacated. Oh wow, they are reviewing the seats, backside seats. Actually guys, this is not less than any Royal Theatre. So, oh wow, oh my god, Thalapathy Vijay, my favorite icon from South industry. Actually, this is trailer of his last movie, Jananaika. Oh my god, now I am feeling perfectly like I am watching movie in theater. Actually, this is not less than any theater, my favorite icon. This movie soon will release in the theaters. According to trailer, it's very nice movie. Now we are going back to collect our breakfast. We have got our breakfast and he's my friend. Look, this is breakfast. Actually, I will not say it breakfast. This is looking complete food. Idli, dosa, sambar and chutney. So other also are getting their food from inside and there someone enjoying. Now celebration is over and our vice chancellor is about to leave from here and there people are eating their food. Their performance. Now people are moving back. This is International Convention of Pondicherry. Guys, look, kids also moving back to their home with their guardians. Actually, in today's celebration, kids also given very stunning, very awesome performance as per their age. So I am really obsessed with their performance. And look, here also some students are sitting and enjoying their food, and a few are moving back to their hostels. So you can see in front where a flag is hosting, that is parking area. Stunning, awesome. What a view ahead. Really, I'm obsessed with it. It's looking very beautiful. And this is my and our country's pride. May God always hoist and elevated like this. As you can see there, all people are coming back by having their food. Actually, some are from other schools, some are from KV, and some are from this university. So they are moving back. Now all celebrations, all activities are done, and I had food also. So I'm going back to my hostel. You can see people are also returning from main hall. So let's take bike and move to hostel. So this is my friend's bike, and I will go by this bike. So guys, finally I have come to my room, and now time is 1:45 o'clock. So here I want to finish this vlog, but my wish to include that scene also, show you that view also where today's Republic Day celebrated. Actually, in International Convention of Pondicherry, they decorated very beautifully by using different types of light. So my wish is to include night scene also at the time of lightning. Then I will finish this vlog. So enjoy that scene also. So guys, right now I am nearby International Convention Center of Pondicherry University, and this time is 7:30 o'clock. So let me show you in evening view of that convention center. Actually, that is completely drowned in the shining of lights. So let's enjoy that. So guys, this is evening and night view of International Convention Center's flag, tricolor flag. Proudly it's hoisting. So this is my pride, and when you enter first time you will get this one at the entry gate, and look that side also. Now it's completely shining in the light. So I am feeling very nice, very beautiful looking at the evening time. So this is evening view of that center. Look here, they also decorated with lights, and that is building of convention center. Actually, at the last moment this decoration was done. First this Republic Day was supposed to be celebrated at the open theater, but because of rain, that celebration shifted here. So how you are feeling by watching this scenario, tell me in comment section. Actually, if I tell you literally, then I'm feeling very obsessed, very pleasure here. So what's about you, tell me in comment section. And through this way you can go entry gate of that center. So this is night view, so I have to go from here. So now I am going back. Actually, security allowed me for just 5 minutes to capture video, so now I'm going back. Actually, this is International Convention Center, that's why they not allowed too much at alone. So now I'm going back. Guys, I think you watched this video till last, and here I am finishing this vlog. I think you really enjoyed my vlog. If you really enjoyed this vlog, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends, and like this video also. And let's learning English communication skills simultaneously. So let's meet another vlog. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind.